Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-hitting drums in FL Studio. Start by choosing a punchy kick and a snapping snare, then set a tempo and program a tight groove. Layer additional percussive elements and tune each sample to the key where needed. Use tight quantizations sparingly for groove and save your initial pattern as a starting point for further shaping and effects. Start by carving space with EQ. Cut mud around 200-400 Hz and boost the kick near 60-100 Hz for weight. Compress the snare with short attack and medium release to glue it, and use transient shapers to emphasize hits without losing body. Parallel compression can add energy, and a touch of saturation or drive will bring harmonics forward. Check levels against a reference and avoid overprocessing to keep punch and clarity. Layering is key. Add a sub-sine or filtered 808 under the kick for extra low weight and tune it to the track key. Use short plate or room reverb on snares with pre-delay to preserve punch and keep low frequencies mono for translation. Pan claps and percussion to create width and apply gentle saturation on parallel tracks to add character without losing transient clarity. Always check in mono for phase issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.